Let's say we're asked to simplify 3ab squared times the quantity 2a to the fourth b squared, all raised to the third power, divided by 6a to the fifth b to the seventh, the quantity raised to the second power. And we're asked to simplify this expression and write our answer with only positive exponents. As before, we start from the inside and work our way out. In the numerator, there's nothing that can be combined by rewriting this expression. The same thing with the denominator. So next we turn our attention to the parentheses. The innermost parentheses can be expanded out by applying the product to a power rule. Here we see a product and another product raised to a power. So the power of 3 gets applied to 2a to the fourth and b squared, indicated here. Now 2 cubed is 8. When we have a power raised to another power, we multiply the two powers together. So this expression turns into 3ab squared just comes along. The denominator comes along. 2 cubed turns into the 8. A to the 4 raised to the third turns into a to the 12th because we multiply the two exponents. B squared raised to the third turns into b to the sixth. Again, we're multiplying the two exponents. All of this is still being raised to the second power, so that comes along. Now at this stage, we kind of go back to the very beginning. Is there something that can be rearranged here, or can any terms be multiplied by each other? And absolutely, the 3 and the 8 can be placed next to each other. The a and the a to the 12th can be placed next to each other. The b squared and b to the 6th can be bundled as well. Now simplifying this on the right-hand side, 3 times 8 gives us 24. Since bases are same and we're multiplying, we add the exponents. 1 plus 12 gives us 13. Same property here. Product rule states that 2 plus 6 will yield a power of 8 for b. The denominator stays as is, and the power of 2 on the outside stays as is as well. Now here, nothing in the numerator by itself and nothing in the denominator by itself can be simplified or combined, so now we start looking for the quotient rule. So 24 divided by 6 is just going to give us a 4. Since bases are same here and we're dividing, we can subtract the exponents. 13 minus 5 will give us 8, so we get a to the 8th. B to the 8th divided by b to the 7th will be b raised to the 8 minus 7, which is just 1. So you're just left with b or b to the first power. All of this is still being squared. So now, since nothing on the inside can be simplified further, we can distribute the square to each of the terms by using the product to a power rule. So this gives us 4 squared times a to the 8th squared times b squared. Now, since we have a power raised to another power, that can be simplified to a to the 16th, b squared, and finally the 4 squared just gives us 16. The question had asked us to represent our answer with positive exponents, which we have done.